Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a nice and great vlog. I am at the Target parking lot right now, so I'm gonna be shopping cleaning supplies today. That's my main focus because I need to get my apartment clean. I also have so many boxes coming from Amazon and a different place that I placed order. I also think that we may go to the IKEA because I want to see what they have. I don't want to just buy something before shopping around, so this is gonna be fun. Make sure stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Let's go spend the money, honey. I have all my notes here, so I use this one right here. This is $15.99, so again, it's my favorite. I want to try them because I never used these ones before, so let's see. Here, I use both of them, like when it comes to clean the floor, and they really smell really good. And have a below sole. This one. Scrub Daddy. I'm gonna get one of this one. This is so cute. Oh, this smells so good. This one. It is no. Oh, this is soy blend candle. I like this one. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm taking this one. I want to change the lamp on my bathroom because the one is more yellow. I wanted something more bright, but I don't see the brand that I use before in my last apartment here, but we will probably find in Walmart. Okay, we are done here in Target. I wasn't thinking it will be necessary for me to go to Walmart, but I didn't find everything here in Target, so yeah, we are going to Walmart right now. It's okay, we got this. I feel like I need to eat something. Yeah, I need to eat something. It's time. Let's see what time it is. Okay, not bad. It's 2 p.m. We've been here only 2 hours. Oh, I needed a steel spray. I need to do this one for bathroom. Green. We are done. Let's go to Walmart. So we just got here on Walmart. I want to see what else I'm gonna get from cleaning supply. This one smells so good. This one right here. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? This is what I use for use on the bathroom. I like this one more. Tell me why the vacuums is so expensive. Okay, so we just need 2 more things and we're done. I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in fears just like an ocean. We need a bright light for my bathroom. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some part. They just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a little bitter. I just finished baking and I forgot that I need a rosemary. Like, for some reason, when you got to the store, you just get lost on time. Like,